Nyatri Tsenpo, the Sky King of Tibet. High in the majestic Himalayas, nestled among towering peaks and winding rivers, lay the peaceful Yarlung Valley. For generations, its people lived simple lives, tending their yaks and fields, gazing at the vast, endless sky. They often wondered about the mysteries beyond their mountain home. One bright morning, as the sun kissed the highest peaks, a brilliant light descended from the heavens. It shimmered and swirled, growing larger and larger until it gently touched down in the heart of the valley. The villagers watched, their hearts pounding with a mix of awe and curiosity. From the shimmering light stepped a magnificent being. He had a regal bearing, a radiant presence, and eyes that held the wisdom of the stars. The villagers had never seen anyone like him before. He seemed to glow with an inner light, truly a visitor from another world. Overwhelmed by his divine aura, the people knew in their hearts that this was no ordinary man. They believed he was a king sent from the heavens to guide them. With joyful shouts, they lifted him high onto their shoulders, proclaiming him their first ruler. From that day forward, they called him Nyatri Tsenpo, which means enthroned upon the necks. He was not just a king, but a Tsenpo, a divine ruler, and the beginning of a noble lineage that would shape their land for centuries to come. Under Nyatri Tsenpo's wise leadership, the Yarlung Valley flourished. He brought new ideas and a sense of unity to the scattered communities, laying the foundations for a great kingdom. This was the birth of the Yarlung dynasty. To mark his reign and provide a grand home for his people, Nyatri Tsenpo inspired the construction of the magnificent Yombu Palace. It stood as the first palace in all of Tibet, a towering symbol of their new era of prosperity and strength. Nyatri Tsenpo ruled with kindness and wisdom for many years. He taught his people how to live in harmony, how to build, and how to look to the future. When his time on earth was complete, a wondrous event occurred once more. Just as he had arrived from the heavens, a shimmering sky rope appeared, reaching down from the clouds. It was a divine path, beckoning him home. With a final, gentle smile, Nyatri Tsenpo ascended, returning to the stars from whence he came. The people of Yarlung Valley watched, filled with both sadness and profound understanding. They knew their king had fulfilled his divine purpose. And so, the lineage of the Tsenpos continued, with each early king, upon their passing, also ascending back to the heavens by the sacred sky rope, forever connecting the land of Tibet to the stars above.